Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is about the percent equation. You are going to learn it here, the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to ask you one question. Are you a coffee drinker? I am not a coffee drinker, but the Emirati family is always offering coffee and dates whenever you're going to visit their house. That is why I researched a lot regarding coffee and dates, and I found out that there are a lot of health benefits on these foods. That is why the Emirati family is offering this. Do you know that coffee is an excellent source of antioxidants, which may help protect cells from damage? But for some people, it is a stimulant that disrupts sleeps. Let us continue our discussion regarding the benefits of coffee to our health later. Let us move first to the main objective of our lesson. We are going to learn today how to use the percent equation to find the percent, the part, or the whole. To find the percent, let's have this example. 4 is what percent of 25? Do you still remember how to translate a sentence into equation? 4 is what percent of 25? That is why 4 is equal to the percent of 25. Do you get it? Do you still recall it? To eliminate the 25 on the right side, we're going to divide both sides by 25. And we can cancel out the 25 on the right side so that we can work on 4 over 25. I want you to take note that whenever we have a fraction, our target is to make the denominator equivalent to 100 to get the percent. That is why we're going to multiply 4 over 25 by 4 over 4. And it will give us 16 over 100. 4 by 4 is 16 and 25 by 4 is 100. Once we have the 100 on the denominator, we can multiply it by 100%. And we can simply cancel out 100. Subsequently, it will give us 16%. Therefore, 4 is 16% of 25. To find the part, let us work on this example so that you will be guided. What number is 25% of 12? Once again, we're going to translate the sentence into equation, which will give us P is equal to 75% of 12. To convert 75% into fraction, we're going to place 100 on the denominator, and we're going to multiply 12. Therefore, 75 over 100 times 12. We need to find the common factor of 12 and 100, or 75 and 100. Let us try first the common factor of 12 and 100 as 4. Therefore, 4 in 12 is 3. And 4 in 100 is 25. Likewise, the common factor of 75 and 25 is 25. Therefore, 25 in 25 is 1, and 25 in 75 is 3. Therefore, we can simplify the equation as 3 times 3. For that result, P is equal to 9. Accordingly, 9 is 75% of 12. It is easy, right? To find the whole, let us work on this example so that you can understand it well. 5 is 20% of what number? To translate the sentence into equation, 5 means 5 is equal to 20% of W. Do you get it? Remember that 20% can be converted into fraction if you're going to place 100 on the denominator. Therefore, the equation will be 5 is equal to 20 over 100 times W. To eliminate the 100 on the denominator, we're going to multiply both sides by 100. And we can cancel out 100 on the right side. To simplify 100 times 5, it will give us 500 is equal to 20W. Accordingly, we're going to divide both sides by 20 to eliminate 20 on the right side. Consequently, we can cancel out the 20 on the right side and we can work on 500 divided by 20. As a result, it will give us 25. Therefore, 5 is 20% of 25. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. What number is 10% of 500? Translating the sentence into equation, it will give us P is equal to 10% times 500. But 10% is equal to 10 over 100. Thereby, we can cancel 2 zeros on the numerator and 2 zeros on the denominator. And it will give us 10 times 5. For that result, P is equal to 50. 50 is 10% of 500. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. 45 is what percent of 900? Translating the sentence into equation, it will give us 45 is equal to percent times 900. To eliminate 900 on the right side, we're going to divide both sides by 900. And we can cancel out 900 on the right side. Since we need the percent, we're going to multiply 45 over 900 by 100%. And we can cancel out 2 zeros on the numerator and 2 zeros on the denominator. That will give us 45 over 9, which is 5%. Therefore, 45 is 5% of 900. Let us work on another example so that you can perfectly understand the lesson. 24 is 50% of what number? Translating the sentence into equation, it will give us 24 is equal to 50% times W. Converting the 50% into fraction, it will give us 50 over 100. We are going to multiply both sides by 100 so that we can eliminate 100 on the right side. Simplifying 100 times 24, it will give us 2,400, which is equal to 50 times W. To eliminate 50 on the right side, we can divide both sides by 50. And we can cancel out the 50 on the right side. We can cancel out 1 0 on the numerator and 1 0 on the denominator on the right side so that we're not going to work on large numbers. Working on 240 divided by 5 will give us 48. Therefore, 24 is 50% of 48. To wrap it up in finding the percent, just translate the sentence into equation. 4 is what percent of 25? It will be 4 is equal to percent times 25. And you can work on the equation to find out the percent. To find the part, just translate the sentence into equation. Translate it smartly. For example, what number is 75% of 12? It will become P is equal to 75% times 12. Then, you can work out on the equation to find the part. To find the whole, the steps will always be the same. Just translate the sentence smartly into equation. Like this example, 5 is 20% of what number? It will become 5 is equal to 20% times W. Then, work out on the equation to find the whole. I want you to remember this key. To find the percent, the part, or the whole, just translate the sentences smartly. Whenever you find the word is equal to. Remember that. The symbol of is equal to. And you can translate the sentences smartly into equation. Okay? Let us move back to the discussion of drinking coffee to our health. But when is the best time to drink coffee? The best time to drink coffee is between 10 a.m. and noon, and then again between 2 p.m. and 5 p.m. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it slowly, carefully, and I know you can get it. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy, okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!